all the viewers and to Mentofy team for bringing this platform where people can, know what is there, what they should do, and what are the options available. And for Bakliwal Foundation College, we are an institute of integrity and located in Navi Mumbai. It's a central hub wherein it is connected to all the transportation available in Navi Mumbai. And we have got primarily, management, graduate programs, postgraduate programs, wherein so many specializations are there. And as an institute, now in this situation wherein we need to support each other, and we are taking this initiative wherein we are providing so many scholarship to the students, and especially to the people who have been, affected by Corona. So this is one move that we have started. And when I talk about programs, other than the conventional programs, we have got some unique programs, which is, very specific in nature and very niche in market. So it is like other than BBA, BCom, and MBA, we do have BA in civil services. So it is such a unique program wherein the person who or the young chap who want to get into UPSC or civil services, or maybe any other government job like IPS, IRS, ITS, and so many other. And in fact, there are a level of government roles in India. If I talk about this particular program, is designed to get some good career in government departments, or maybe in civil services. So this program, the beauty of this program is that it is the syllabus of this program is aligned with the syllabus of UPSC and other state service commission exams. And some of the government programs or jobs, they require some aptitude test also. So for in our institute, we do have facility wherein we provide some blended programs to students, wherein a student of graduation, a BA, he can get into some additional courses also. And like we do have so many online programs as well. So when I say online program, I think that's the need of the hour, and so many people sitting at their comfort zone from across the globe, I would say they can learn. And that is the platform we are providing as an institute to all the people who are willing to upgrade their career. And one more thing that I would very strongly mention, normally whenever we feel or see career, it's something we always relate it to the young people, which is not relevant in today's time. So even people of retiring age or who have already retired, even they are learning more and more courses, they are upgrading their knowledge. And that facility we have at our Bakliwal College in Navi Mumbai. So you can get connected to us, and we like one more, so many things, about the institute. We do provide free career guidance counseling and psychological counseling also to anybody who is in need of it. So it is just that we want to give back to society, and at the same time we have got into this noble cause of education, wherein we are providing career to these seekers. And we have so many associations wherein we thrive towards the holistic development of the people who are associated with us. And that we are doing with our own associations, with our own team, and with different associations that we have in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and we do have global partners also for the same. Okay. And it's like if anything else you would like to know, you can on any time get in touch with Mentofy or the Bakliwal College, and you get in touch with the website. There are numbers given, and if you allow, Shreya, I can share my number here also.
Definitely, sure, you can do that. Okay. So I think our participants would love to know more about Bakliwal College and their courses. So what we can do is we can start addressing the questions that they had, and then we can talk about all the different courses that Bakliwal also has to offer. Great. So so one of the questions that came in from the participants regarding career guidance. So there was a girl who said that I am shifting to USA on spouse visa basis, I have done my commerce graduation and having 11 years of work experience in import and export industry. Kindly suggest me which course I can do apart from MBA in USA to start my career over there.
Okay. So see, first of all, the one who are willing to shift to US, I think US has got a culture wherein they always prefer having some course from their own universities. That is number one. Secondly, even here in India, we do have, like, even our college, Bakliwal College, has this program called CMA. That is Chartered Management Accountant course, and we have got this affiliation from US body only, wherein sitting in India, if you are a commerce graduate or any person, graduation is the eligibility for it, and you can opt for certain papers are there, and detailed can be given to you later on. And with that CMA program, that would be valid, that would be valued even in US. But apart from that, if you are shifting to US, if you want to work there, you will have to do maybe a small program, maybe some months course, or some half year or 1 year's course, because it is very easy to get jobs there, because so many options are available. But still, the US is little biased about having people only from the institutes, from their own institutes, from there they have done some kind of courses. So to this girl, I don't know the name, if she is willing to shift there, first of all, being a commerce graduate, she can get in touch with us. We have this program called CMA, wherein she can enroll herself, and while moving to US again, she will have to enroll herself there also. So this is what I would suggest to her.
Okay, thanks. I think that was very
hope I just clarify the query.
Definitely, yes.
Yeah.
Another question that came in was regarding the different career options for a writer, and what are the required qualifications for becoming a journalist and getting into the field of journalism.
Okay, great. So see, a writer, first of all, it is a freelancing kind of role, because once you have your books published, or once you have your articles published, for that you need to get associated with some of the publishing houses. That is one. Or maybe you can get in touch with the these newspaper organizations, or these days so many things are available, like even the electronic media is there. But to be a journalist, you need to have BJMC. That is the specific course designed only to become a journalist. And for that, again, there are different specialization, different verticals into it. One can get into electronic journalism, one can get into print media, one can get into these even social media is one very upcoming upcoming field wherein people are required. And the content writer is one thing, you can write content, because whatever we see on the websites, or whatever we are visualizing or seeing from our eyes, it's not the person whose name is given is written by him. There are content writers whose role is only to develop content. And always journalist, or the person who has done BJMC, he is always been given priority about such kind of roles. And again, if you want to be a writer, you can be a writer. But again, see, there are one more thing that I would tell all the viewers today. See, normally what happens as a career counselors, or as seniors, we always try to show you only the rosy picture. Okay. But once you get into field, once you are on after your courses, after your graduations, once you are there available for job roles, you find it is very contradictory. So I will tell all the viewers that there are programs. See, if you are a journalist, if you are top journalist, you may get a salary of more than crore monthly. So there are people who are earning more than 15, 16 crores per annum in India. I am telling you, okay, in India. Yet there are people who are not able to, just mind their ways, and they are not able to nurture their families also. So first of all, you need to decide. I always call it a reverse journey. wherein you need to decide what exactly where you want to position yourself. If you want to position yourself as a journalist, then you need to get into those kind of institutions. Just see you do some kind of research about it. And for journalists, BJMC is the right course. And then there are some short diplomas also available with different institutions that we can take separately. Once we'll be having specific or specialized sessions. So the student who has asked about journalism, I think the BJMC and then MJMC is the right course. And then there are institutions, government institutions are there. Then there are private colleges as well. So you need to see what is the kind of alumni bank these institutions have. And one more thing that applies to the colleges is you will find two categories of colleges. One would be wherein there are very established ones and बहुत पुराने वहाँ से students निकले हैं. And there would be few who are new, very new to to this industry. Correct. So don't get distracted, because even the new colleges, they are very good. Reason being, they give their best kind of faculties, because the competition of the new colleges are with the older ones or with the ones who are kind of the pioneers in that particular category. So selection of college is again one thing, and that anybody need to take care of while choosing a career option into journalism. Okay, and like if you want to get into journalism, yes, social media is always open. You can start your YouTube channel, and I think you guys yourself, like Mentofy itself is a example for this, wherein it has been started by so young people, and they are doing so brilliantly, I think. So it is again a kind of journalism where you are connecting people, you are informing people about different areas, about different segments. So I think I just clarify the answer to it, and otherwise the person who is willing to, she or he can get in touch with us directly also.
Definitely. I would like to tell that to all the participants, that if you all have any more questions for Anshul, do paste it in the chat box. Today she'll be taking all of those up. So definitely. Another question that, was related to the arts industry was, a person just wanted to know more about fashion designing, fashion styling, and basically the fashion industry in general, because I think it's one of the less, the low road less traveled, it's sort of the road less traveled. So, would you like to shed some light on the fashion industry?
Definitely. See, fashion industry is again something which is very glittering industry, and so many people are already doing brilliant job in fashion industry. And again, even in fashion industry, there are so many other verticals. If we talk about, it is a big picture. Fashion industry is a big picture wherein so many things come. Like even one can be when we say fashion designer, wherein the costume designer basically who is designing costumes. One can be hair stylist also. One can be makeup artist. One can be jewelry designer. So there are several verticals, opens up into fashion industry. Fashion is a big thing, wherein one can be into cosmetic, production also. So to all the viewers, my suggestion would be, first, as I said earlier also, you need to find your destination or your dream first. Just identify what is your passion. Because if your passion aligns with your profession, I think that is the magic, and that's what is happening with so many professionals. If we talk about Sachin Tendulkar, I think there is nobody on this planet who's not knowing Sachin Tendulkar. But why he has reached to that level? Because he converted his passion into profession. So each one of us have to identify our passion. What is there that I do, without any hindrances, without any foundation, there is no time limit, and there is nothing that comes between that person and that particular activity. Identify that. And in Japanese, this particular identifying yourself is called ikigai, wherein there are techniques. There is a method wherein you can jot down the points that these are certain things I like and these are certain things I don't like. So jot down that, keep cutting, okay, and prioritize. Just reach to a level wherein you will have 5 good points and 5 bad points. So finally, you will reach to a point wherein you will find the number one is something, say for fashion designing, if the person who's asking, okay, costume designing is one thing that attracts my, most of my energy. So the person should get into costume designing. And in that case, we do have so many institutions. Again, government institutions are there available in India. Then there are some private institutions as well. So if NIFT, I think, is the topmost institution in India. जितने भी हमारे मैक्सिमम ये फैशन डिजाइनर्स हैं, जो कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर्स हैं, से फॉर रीना ढाका एंड दिस Hemant is so many people are there, so they have qualified from there. And so NIFT is there, and if you are not able to qualify, see, each one of us have to plan in a way wherein we will be having plan A, plan B, and plan C also in line. Because just in case you are planning to get into costume designing, and say for whatever reason you are not able to qualify for that kind of course or that level of institution, then there are level 2 institutions also available, or level 2 career also available into fashion designing. So like NID is there, National Institute of Designing, which is located in Ahmedabad. So this institute is, again, when I say designing, they are into costume designing, they are into product designing, they are into technical designing also. So if you will see, companies are working, right? Like if I talk about Maruti, we see they are a car producer, but even there people are working full time who are only and only into product designing. Okay, so they are the designing, when we talk about, so it is again a broader term. So first the person has to identify what is my key interest, and then we need to align it to the kind of courses available in market. Okay.
Correct. So I think, one of the students asked this question, that he is confused regarding career choices. So I think when you spoke about Ikigai and having a plan A, B, and a plan C, I think you answered that question really well. Are there any other tips that you would like to give to such a student who is confused regarding, what he should do?
Yeah, definitely. So again, see, internship is one thing that I would emphasize a lot about. When I say internship, students need to go to those areas or those segments or categories or sectors wherein they feel कि मेरा interest है. See, I will share my story here. I am a management postgraduate, and I did it long back when this MBA was a niche program. Okay, and I'm a marketing professional. I chose marketing as my specialization. And why I did that? Because I always saw my father. He was head of marketing in one of the biggest organization in India. I always saw him, having car with him, having a huge office, so many people just saying, sir, yes, sir, what, sir. So that was something that attracted my attention. I desired to be into marketing. Okay, so this is how I selected, okay, I will go for marketing. But when I completed my master's, when I got into job, so they asked me to go and do some, marketing, sell this product. I started my career with Z Education. So, and that time I was based at Jaipur. So I had to, go into that kind of heat wherein temperature was 45 plus. So it used to disturb me a lot. Why that happened? Because I was not having adequate knowledge that behind this, what phase is coming, lots of hard work, lots of, ground root work is involved. So, and somehow, like, we were having limited resources of information, because whatever we could see, we did that. So all the students, I would say, you need to get into some internships also. Internships wherein you will get some projects from the organizations. Say for like if I talk about marketing, I got the opportunity of doing internship, but I did it in finance. Why I did it in finance? Because I wanted to have idea and I wanted to have knowledge about finance department also. So that was my understanding. Okay. So, but what clarity it gave to me was that finance is not my cup of tea, because I always love to go out and meet people and network with people. So marketing, I decided there, no, I will not get into finance. So students who are not clear about their career, they should take some projects from the companies or maybe small organizations. Don't fear about that you will not get stipend. See, initially, don't keep that as a priority. आप पैसे को प्रायोरिटी मत दो. I will not say कि it is nothing. It is a motivation, it is a big motivation, but still, if you are getting experience and that too without paying any money, I would prefer and I would suggest you guys, please go ahead and do that, because taking projects, live projects from the companies itself is an achievement. Okay, so initially I think for at least 2 to 3 years, your focus should be more about gaining experience. कि कितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा experience exposure. One is experience wherein you can be confined to only one kind of role, one kind of department. No, but I would suggest you go and take experience and at the same time exposure also, wherein you will be working 5 days. Because जो management education होता है उसमें अगर हम बात करें तो management trainees is the role that is defined for postgraduates. Okay, management trainees का जो role रहता है, and the same that is applied to GETs also, graduate engineer trainees, जो company का defined है. Now there is so many fancification has happened in the roles, in the positions, in designations, but GTs or MTs, if I talk about, they go to a particular organization, they work in different departments for a few months or maybe few weeks or few days. So what happens, they gain the knowledge of each department, and even the senior people, they observe the candidate and they see what is the kind of interest, what is the attitude he has. Because एक Jory window करके, there is one technique wherein you can also search for it, all of you, Jory window, wherein there are certain things which we know about ourselves. There are certain characteristics, there are certain attributes which we do not know about ourselves. And there are certain attributes which people know about ourselves, which we are not aware of. And there are certain characteristics which we know and even people know about it. Okay. So when I say ikigai, and it is again a kind of technique wherein you can find out कि आपकी कौन सी characteristics हैं जो बहुत अच्छी हैं, wherein you are also very good, and at the same time people are also recognizing it. It should not happen कि मैं बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ, मेरे को बहुत अच्छी बात करनी आती है, but when you are talking to others, what they are realizing, कितनी grammatical mistake कर रहे हैं, ये कैसा बोलता है. So you need to come to a point wherein your own characteristics, your own attributes are recognized by others also, and that can happen in professional life only when you are doing some projects, when you are doing some assignments with different companies, with different departments. So students, please start taking up assignments. I see these days even these Pizza Hut people, McDonald's, they have started young internship programs also, wherein 18 years and above can go there and they can work for some time. So they get to know about how the kitchen works, how the food and beverages industry works, and how the delivery happens. Because see, हम लोग order करते हैं and at click within half an hour's time we get the delivery. But how it is happening, it's a lot of functioning involved into it. So when and how you will know about it once you will be into the system. So my suggestion to people who are not clear about the careers, please start taking some projects, start doing some assignments so that you will identify and you will actually get to know what is right for you. And you can take some expert help also, wherein you can anytime come to our college, Bakriwal College, which is located in Navi Mumbai. You can call us and you can walk in also, whichever way you feel like. We are also always available for you guys.
That's great. I think so along with doing an internship, it's also important to take feedback, as you mentioned. You should know what others think of you as well.
Of course, yeah. Because that you get, you immediately get it. Once you are doing something good, you will feel you will be appreciated by your seniors. If you are not doing something, they will, again and again, they will come and say, please, isko thoda change kar lo, ya isko aisa kar lo. So you immediately get to know, and nothing is at risk, because when you are working without stipend, or if with the stipend also, the company is not losing anything, because ultimately there is no commitment. और जहां पे जॉब की बात होती है, the problem is people are not ready to give job, because lots of money is required to be invested by the company. So internships में, projects में, there is nothing at risk, neither at the company side nor at the candidate side. So I think, yeah, people should take that.
Definitely. So one of our participants here, Kanak, he wants to know if you could please talk about what I can do after opting IP in 11th, and along with that, what are the options if we don't opt for maths?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Kanak, first of all, I think you should not afraid about mathematics, because it is just a subject. Secondly, I will tell little more about it. See, most of the students, they are scared about mathematics, or they question why mathematics is there when it is not used in our professional lives, when there won't be any multiplication, there won't be any kind of permutation combination required. To क्यों हमें mathematics पढ़ाया जाता है? So let me tell all of you. See, our brain has got two hemispheres. जो हमारा brain है, it is divided into two parts. और जो left, सब सुनते होंगे left side brain and right side brain, which is responsible for different functions. And each hemisphere has got 5 lobes. Lobe मतलब again segments. हम लोग like being Indians, all of us heard about Ravan. रावण जो थे, उनका बोलते ना 10 सिर थे. So basically वो 10 सिर क्या थे? जो हमारा ब्रेन के जो टोटल लोब्स हैं, 10 lobes, 5 lobes इधर and 5 lobes this side. So total 10 lobes, all 10 lobes were activated. Okay, so each lobe has got it is responsible for particular function. हमारा जो हर लोब है, आप देखेंगे कि सारे स्टूडेंट्स they are not at par. Why they are not at par? Because somebody's lobe number 1 is working, somebody's lobe number 2 is more activated, somebody's lobe number 3 is more activated, so like that. So when we have mathematics as a subject in basic education also, why? Because there are some basic requirement of a normal brain, and if we will not use it, it will stop functioning. And it happens. One of my colleagues, which is not known to most of us, because we are not from the medical fraternity, हम लोग की बॉडी अगर कुछ टाइम के लिए काम नहीं करे, so वो फंक्शन डेड हो जाता है, because the message is not going to brain. So one of my colleagues, he is having a lazy eye. उसका दोनों eyes normal हैं, and by birth he was having very normal eye, but somehow one eye never, it was kind of lazy. It did not start seeing. And now when he became adult, he cannot see from that eye. Okay, so just to activate all the functions of our brains, this mathematics is one of it. And first of all, Kanak, don't afraid of mathematics, but yes, with IT, you can have so many other options available in today's education industry. There are blended programs. wherein along with IT, you can get into economics. Along with IT, you can, opt for any kind of digital marketing. So many, you can opt for finance kind of role. You can opt for marketing, because when you talk of, when you say IT, so again, IT has got different verticals. IT is not only about program designing, or it is not only about software development. There are so many other things associated to it. And आपका जो website designing है, software designing is one part of it. Then backend development is there. जो हमें what screen we are seeing, that is also there. So IT के साथ में when you will be blending it with other areas, with the other sectors, what will happen? If you are an IT professional and having knowledge of economics, what will happen? You will be preferred in the departments which are working for financial sector, and they need some IT professional. Because today's time, at least the corona has taught all of us, without IT, things are not going to work. Because it is said, it is a new normal. Digitization जो हुआ है अभी, जो जितना भी हम लोग sitting at different places, we are able to talk to each other. It is just because of the digitization. So it has to have there, and it is going to remain forever. इसमें खाली upgradation होता रहेगा. So IT के साथ you can get into robotics also. If you see so many messages wherein even in hotels there are robots that are serving in different rooms. So room service is also controlled by robot. And when I say robotics, even in the house, we'll see remote se hum log, we can switch off our fan, we can switch on our ACs, and we can switch on and off our lights. We can control the entire functioning with robots. Okay. So with IT, you can get into any non-IT or non-engineering kind of roles or profiles as well. And if you want to continue only in IT, then you can have the options of these technical sides. When I say robotics, electronic designing, chip designing. So there are, but again, you need to do some specialization education into it. It could be a small certification program, it could be a diploma, it could be 1 year program, but you have to have that. Without having adequate knowledge, it would be very difficult. I will not say it is not possible. It is possible, but it requires lots and lots of courage and hard work also. So instead, the easy way is first you gain appropriate knowledge and then get into that role. So IT के साथ में आप IT programs भी ले सकते हैं. Then you can have non-IT programs also. But again, don't afraid of mathematics, because this is again a fund of life. आप जिस चीज से बहुत भागते हैं वही आपकी लाइफ में आती है. So start loving. It's always better to start loving that.
Yep. So I think Kanak, I hope that answered your question. And if there's anything more, you can definitely put it in the chat box.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah. And so Khushi here is asking that, can you please tell about the career options after commerce with maths? If someone has opted for commerce with maths, then what are the different career options for her?
Okay. So see, career options with mathematics in commerce. Other than pilot, you cannot get into CPL. You cannot become pilot. But with mathematics and commerce, there are so many things that opens up. Like you can be CA. Okay, but again, it is a conventional, but at the same time, it is a challenging program also. You can get into a CMA, as I said earlier, cost management accountant. You can do a regular BCom. You can be a company secretary. You can do CFA program also, wherein certified financial programming. See, there are, when I talk about today's time, the conventional education is there, the traditional education is there, wherein we have normal degree programs, but it should be blended, or it should be added with some different additional flavor also. And like then even in BCom, it could be a normal BCom, it could be just say Mumbai mein apna BAF is there, wherein it's finance and accounting. then it could be related to taxation. You can get into BBA also. BBA is such a program wherein it is a professional course, and see, with BCom, if I say, you may not be able to get, if you go only for, if you are not appearing for competitive exam. अगर आपने कोई competition clear किया है, then certainly you have added or additional advantage of it. But if you do not qualify for competitive exams, और सिर्फ कॉमर्स के बेस पे आप प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, अगर प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री में आप जॉब करना चाहेंगे, तो यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू गेट और प्रोक्योर अ गुड जॉब. बट इफ इट इज coupled with, if it is blended with some professional programs, as I said, like this FPA, financial programming, can be there, then CMA can be there. So these programs make you a complete professional. Okay, but with BBA, if I say, BBA itself is a complete program. It is a professional program because it covers the subject of commerce, it has subject of arts, it has subject of science also. That is the reason it is called a stand-alone program. So anybody who is having commerce along with mathematics, he or she can get into BBA also. Then BMS is there, BEP, I have already spoken. Then you can get some certification programs as financial analyst, or you can get into banking also. But agar aap BCom karke banking mein jayenge, then you need to compete with so many other people, wherein there would be people from the science stream, arts stream, and even the commerce stream. So if you want to remain into commerce field or commerce area, then you need to have some additional education also along with your commerce. So फाइनेंस में जैसे मैंने बताया, उस टाइप के प्रोग्राम्स कर सकते हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोग्राम्स कर सकते हैं. And at our Bakliwal college, we do have like BBA, we do have, which is again I said and mentioned, it is a stand-alone program, जहाँ पे सिर्फ BBA करके you can get into good organizations. Okay.
So I think on similar lines, Nikita had a question that she has already completed her TY BCom, and now she's confused about what she can do. So if there's some course you can suggest that she can take up.
Definitely, she has completed her
TY BCom, yes.
TY BCom, yes. Right. So again, Nikita, I think you need to identify where exactly you want to go, what are your interest areas, and for detailed, for detailed discussions, if you are located in Mumbai, you please visit us. आप बाकलीवाल कॉलेज में आइए, and if you are unable to come due to corona and all, you can take up counseling with us, and we can let you know what are the we can help you in knowing you as a better professional. मतलब आपके खुद के क्या areas हैं जिसमें आप excel कर सकते हैं. Because as I mentioned earlier, एक जोरे विंडो करके जो है टेक्निक जिसके थ्रू या इकिगाई के थ्रू we can know about our own characteristics, but there are certain times wherein हम लोग individually we are unable to, or we get little biased also. But therein people like us who are expert into the field, they come into picture, and we are available for you, and that too without any without any extra cost, without anything. And we are just trying to help you out to become a better citizen, so that we can contribute towards the nation building. Okay. So Nikita, आप कोर्सेज बहुत सारे होते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि आपको किस एरिया में जाना है या किस फील्ड में जाना चाहिए. अकॉर्डिंगली you can decide about the course, because even for commerce there are so many courses available, as I mentioned just now.
Right. So just like you spoke about the career options for commerce with maths after 12. So similarly, Yogesh is asking that if somebody has not taken maths in their 11th, 12th, then what are the career options for commerce without maths?
With maths, it will make difference only into banking sector. And as I mentioned, it is a basic requirement of, because normally commerce is associated with business. And when we say business, we always feel calculations, because business is not you will do something without having money or without having profits or gains, balance sheets. So all these things required calculation. So that is the only conception we have कि मैथमेटिक्स के साथ कॉमर्स अगर है तो कुछ बहुत एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट मिलेगा. No, all the options which are available for a plain commerce graduate would be available for you. Yet you will get added advantage within the sphere. आप जो खुद का जो कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम से जहां पे आप काम करेंगे, wherein your scoring, your understanding, your performance would be better. So that is what help it is going to provide you. And apart from that, you like if you get into statistical departments, like if I talk about government jobs in India, in Institute of Statistical department is also there in India, जहाँ पे आपके पास अगर स्टेट्स है, इट्स नॉट कि एक बीएससी करा हुआ बच्चा नहीं जा सकता या साइंस ग्रेजुएट वहां नहीं जा सकता, इवन ही और शी कैन गो देयर. बट अगेन it is always for your own betterment, because knowledge is something which you are not doing for some particular course, or that you are gaining for your own performance, for your own betterment. Okay, so I don't think that there is any extra course or extra facility available, but yet with commerce and mathematics, you can apply for some specific programs. Even the top premier institutions of India, they have some specialized programs wherein you can apply for master's degree.
Correct. So I think maybe we can take up a computer science question next. So we have Gun here, who says that, hello, I am interested in computer science as well as graphics or something related to arts. So could you please fill me up if there is any field which could combine both of them? And he or she does want to study abroad. So along with computer science, they want to take up something related to arts, like maybe graphics or something like that.
Good, very good. So see, when we say computer applications or computers, you have as a basic qualification. Along with that, you want to get into graphics. It is brilliant combination, because ultimately you have the very strong basis of your understanding about computer as a whole. Secondly, graphic is something that again will apply to जो मैंने बोला था starting में kit designing. So graphic, it will come in your web designing, it will come in your product designing, it will again come into the costume designing. It will like even if I talk about hairstylist, like there are softwares wherein they will show you, like if you take this kind of hairstyle, what kind of face you will have or what kind of look you will have. Okay, so the graphic designers or the person who's having basic knowledge about computers, what's the name you said, Shreya?
Gun.
Okay, yeah. So Gun, with your basic knowledge of computers, you can very well gel it with the arts. And as I mentioned, that so many options available even in arts. It can be related to like even the content designing is one part wherein the graphics are required. You see the newspaper, there are so many things other than the scripting. Newspapers, maybe there are so many cartoons, pictures available. So who designed that? The graphic designers. So if you have basic knowledge of computers, and so with arts is something wherein it should not confine, or it should not relate only to जो हम लोग पहले सोचा करते थे with history, civics, geography. No, art like meaning is that how you are implementing it. Even your knowledge of computers, how well you are implementing it in designing a particular face, that is that is arts. So there is a science. So science, you already know about it. About the computers, you already know the computer science. But the arts, you can blend it arts with implementation of that knowledge into designing things. So designing can again, it's a very wide term. So it can be even medical fraternity. If we see, even in medical line in that industry, you will see so many pictures are there, so many posters are there. Who designed that? So people like you, people like you who are having the knowledge of computers, because that's the basic requirement of it. And then see, our basic knowledge or basic education always helps us in upgrading at a faster pace, because at the entry level all are at par. जितने भी लोग रिक्रूटमेंट होने के बाद या सिलेक्शन होने के बाद एक कंपनी में ज्वाइन करेंगे, दे विल ज्वाइन एट अ फ्रेशर्स लेवल. बट आप देखेंगे जीएम बहुत उनमें से जीएम एक ही बनेगा या जीएम डिफरेंट वर्टिकल्स के 5 बनेंगे, लेकिन जो एंट्री लेवल पे हायरिंग होता है दैट इज हंड्रेड्स, दैट इज थाउजेंड्स इन नंबर्स. ओके, सो ये गैप कहाँ रह जाता है? ये जो गैप होता है दैट इज ऑल अबाउट योर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, कि आप अपनी नॉलेज को कैसे इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. सो जो आपका कंप्यूटर नॉलेज है, हाउ यू आर अलाइनिंग दैट विद योर आर्ट्स and application of it, that is what matters. So Gun, you can get into any of these kind of areas wherein lots of implementation is required.
Right. And I think Udiksha here has a similar question, a more general question. So she's asking, what are the good career options after doing computer science engineering if she wants to work abroad?
Okay. So working abroad, again, software designing is there, which is the I think topmost role for any computer engineer. But then there are so many others like application designing, because when we say software designing, it is one kind of software. If I say for an example, जैसे हम लोग किसी ग्रोसरी उसमें जाते हैं, स्टोर में जाते हैं, या if we go to any mall, what is happening? One accounting means on the counter we just billing package is there. Okay, so this software is designed by software developer, but at the same time you will find every store has got different kind of ERP, that is called ERP, enterprise resource planning. So, and that comes into application designing. Application designing has got wider reach. Software is one broader. When we say Microsoft, MS Office. So MS Office है या Tally है. So Tally में क्या है? Tally is a pack. It is a software that was designed by the software developer. But Tally in each organization may vary as per their requirements. So ये डिजाइन कौन करेगा? ये डिजाइन करने वाला होता है application developer. So that comes the next level after software developer. So you can get into that. You can get into testing also, software testing. So one team designs a software, the other team tests it. उसका वो checking करते हैं, examination करते हैं, evaluation करते हैं whether it is running or not. Okay.
Has a question that, ma'am, what career options do I have by taking a BA Japanese?
BA Japanese.
Yeah.
Okay. So as a BA like having additional or this foreign language, you can be a translator. आजकल translators का role काफी है. You can get into embassy, and you can be a teacher also. You can get into teaching industry. So there are like, other than आपने BA किया है, so you are a graduate. Okay. So when you are a BA, you are open for all the competitive exams happening in India. And what your Japanese, how it will help you is, you can be preferred above any other person who is not having knowledge of Japanese. And but that will happen only in Japanese company. If you are applying in Chinese organization, a Chinese multinational which is working in India, so you may not get that advantage. But again, if that organization is having its work or its offices in Japan also, then you will have some kind of advantage. So your additional language knowledge will always help you in that particular country or in the organizations wherein they have their offices or they have their business with those countries. So if we talk about Japan, so Japan se we already have very good terms, business terms. So the companies wherein they have their business, you can always apply to those. Other than आपका जो मैंने बोला like embassies हुआ, या as a translator, as a teacher. And you can see in today's time, digital thing has got so much of intervention in our life. You can be a digital tutor also. You can start taking some capsule training from sitting at your home, and then you can teach kids. So that again opens another avenue for people like you. And with this I will tell you, like even at our institute Bakliwal College, हम लोग के यहाँ पे when I say कि blended programs हैं, हम लोग के पास में we do have flexible programs wherein sitting at home or sitting at any corner of the planet, you can enroll for some postgraduate programs. So you can enroll for the graduation programs with us and do the programs with the best expertise available in the industry. So that kind of opportunity we have at Bakliwal College. So you can like if you feel like, you can get in touch with us. And again, as I said, there is no age barrier. Age is just a number, and all of us knows that age is just a number in today's time.
Yes. So on that lines, I think Meenu has a question that if you can guide for a degree which help us to go for UPSC in the future. So if someone wants to go for the civil services, what should be the best degree that they can go for?
My goodness, I think Meenu has just touched my something, which is very close to my heart. Okay. So we as an college like Bakliwal College, हम लोग के यहाँ पे जो मैंने starting में बोला था, we have a very unique and niche program जो BA in Civil Services. So किसी भी student को, किसी भी person को who's willing to get into civil services, or it's not only UPSC, again I'm saying you can be IPS, you can be IRS, ITS, or you can be into any government department also. So this course we have, which is BA in Civil Services. The beauty of this course is the syllabus that we have in this 3 years program that is aligned with the syllabus of UPSC and Civil Services of state. Like MPSC, if I talk about in Maharashtra, like that. And with this program, what happens, a person who is focusing on getting into civil services, he will be preparing from 12th onwards. Normally, what happens, anybody who's willing to get into UPSC, he or she start preparing after his or her graduation. So what happens, like if you are enrolling for this BA in Civil Services with us, वो आपका जो 3 साल है, that you will be simultaneously preparing for civil services. And with this, that will happen immediately after 12th. कि 12th के बाद ही आपका orientation जो है वो totally will be directed or focused towards only civil services. So आपका जो 3 साल जो आप normal graduation करते हैं, यहाँ पे आपको नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएशन तो मिल ही रहा है, मींस यू आर गेटिंग द डिग्री ऑफ बीए, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग मैक्सिमम ऑफ योर टाइम इन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज. एंड जो टाइम आप लोग कोचिंग सेंटर्स में जाने के लिए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, और मे बी द फीस और द एनर्जी दैट यू यूज देयर, it will be saved, it will be reserved, because here with your graduation course you are doing preparation for civil services. And for this program, like we have got association with different so established people who have already qualified their IAS, IPS, or those are working and those are retired also. So wherein these people will be coming to tell time to these students that how they need to prepare and what kind of areas they should touch upon, because preparing for UPSC is a very deep study. It unlike NEET, unlike JEE, or maybe NIFT, if I talk about, because in these courses, in these competitions, it is objective type. But if I talk about BA in Civil Services, it is a subjective course. And when I say subjective course, it includes deep study, wherein we will have full-time faculties, subjective faculties, and along with that we will have expert career enhancement programs also with people who have already qualified these competitive exams. So BA in Civil Services is very unique program, or I will highly and very strongly recommend जिस भी स्टूडेंट को, जिस भी बच्चे को सिविल सर्विसेज में जाना है, या उसके सिविल सर्विसेज में भी देयर आर टू काइंड ऑफ कैटेगरीज, A, B and C. देयर आर 3 लेवल्स ऑफ कैटेगरीज, जहाँ पे जो टॉप रैंक होता है, जो टॉप लेवल होता है, दे आर IAS, दे आर IFS, जो हमारे फॉरेन एम्बेसडर्स होते हैं, दे ऑल क्वालिफाई फ्रॉम दीज दिस अपना जो UPSC टेस्ट एग्जाम होता है उसके थ्रू. And second tier, B level, C level, examinations also, it is being conducted through this exam only, जहाँ पे देखते हैं हम लोग जो तहसीलदार हुए, जो तालुकादार हुए, और मे बी people who are into government departments of like if I say education department के जो head हुए, so उस टाइप के जो लोग आते हैं, then they come to second, third, ऐसा tier levels में. So qualifying this exam and preparation is very important. So with this program, BA in Civil Service, the preparation is massive, and it starts from 12th onwards itself. So जिस भी बच्चे को या जिस भी स्टूडेंट को सिविल सर्विसेज में जाना है या गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना है, एंड अगेन दैट इज इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर स्ट्रीम. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को लगता है कि मेरे पास 12th में तो साइंस था, तो मैं इस प्रोग्राम में कैसे जाऊं, तो वो बच्चा very freely he can enroll for this course, because it is only 12th is the only eligibility. उसमें स्ट्रीम का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, because जो सिविल सर्वेंट्स होते हैं उनकी कोई स्ट्रीम नहीं है. देयर आर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, बट विद दिस प्रोग्राम जो BA इन सिविल सर्विसेज है मीनू, उसमें कोई भी स्ट्रीम का बच्चा, कोई भी स्ट्रीम, आपका ह्यूमैनिटीज हो, आपका कॉमर्स होगा, साइंस होगा, PCM है, PCB है, you can come and join this program. So hope Meenu I answered your question, and if anything I missed out, you please write it in chat box.
Yeah, and I think Meenu also wants your contact information. She wants to get in touch with you, so we will definitely share your contact information with them also. So before I take up the next question, I just want to request all the participants, if you all could please fill the feedback form. So I have pasted the link in the chat box. So if you all can fill us, it would be a great help to us. So
definitely.
The next, yeah, go ahead, Anshul.
Yeah. So about number only I was saying, एक तो देखो हमारा आप link से जा सकते हैं, Bakliwal Foundation College, which is located in Navi Mumbai. You can visit our website, and Shreya, if you allow, I will just share my number. Can I?
Sure, definitely. Yes, sure.
Okay. So my number is 9619404170. Again, I repeat my number, 9619404170, and my name is Anshul Sharma.
Okay, I have pasted
that. Thank you for this, Shreya.
Yeah, my pleasure. So the next question that we have here is from Chris. So he is saying that could you please inform about the various advertising opportunities and what I should do at a young age to ace my career in advertising?
Okay, good, very good. So see, advertising again. See, graduation is, I think, must to be in today's time. But apart from that, you can do some additional certification programs also. There are diplomas available into advertising, and it could be starting from 15 days ka program to a program of 2 years also. So there would be program in post-graduation diploma in advertising specifically designed for it. Okay, so to begin with, like if you are not of 18 years, I just missed out the name of the person who asked this question. Yeah. So if you want to get into this career, I think you, as I mentioned, you start doing some projects. You start contacting the people who are already into this area. Just lend your services, just give your services to them, that I'm available to help you out. So start from there, start from scratch. Say for like if I talk about Mentor 5, now when they are launching their program, so what happens? They also need some kind of advertisements. Okay, so you can get in touch with them. Okay, I would like to work for you. What will happen in that case? Even if you design one poster for them, so it would be a testimony for others. Like wherever you will be going next, it will be a proof for you that you can show that I worked and I designed this poster for Man25. I'll tell you, there is a very big IT consulting firm by the name of Mindtree. So Mindtree, they always like unka jo logo hai, the logo, how there is a story behind how they have that logo. It's a blue, red, and two-colored logo. Please go through that Mindtree. Okay. So what they did, they run a competition. उन लोगों ने एक competition किया wherein they asked the companies to ask people, in fact, the colleges to design that logo about their company. And as a CSR project, they took this assignment to special kids school also. And the logo which now they have for their company, it was designed by an autistic child. So, and he told why he chose those colors. So he told about the vibrance of colors also. So the person who's willing to get into advertising, you can start from anywhere. And today's time, let me tell you guys, today's Gen Z, the generation Z, you are so fortunate that everything is available at a click. You have got so friendly, so encouraging parents. You have got so encouraging environment as a whole. And whatever you want, it is there. Like when we talk about कि गुरु है या हम लोग के टाइम पे गुरु होते थे, आप लोग के टाइम पे तो जो गूगल गुरु है, I think that's the biggest guru we have. So everything is there at click away from you. And advertising mein you start doing some project with anybody. Again, I am telling that please don't bother about money initially. आप initial आपका जो at least 1 to 3 years का time होता है, forget about earning good money. If it comes, well and good, but don't make it a priority. आप उसको priority fix मत करिए. Even if you are getting some small amount wherein you are able to sustain yourself, I think that would suffice, because performance and your exposure, your experience is what matters in initial phase. Okay. So advertising mein you please get connected to anyone. Even you can get connected to us, to our college, because we always encourage such people जो काम करना चाहते हैं, who are willing to take some experience. See, we may not be able to fulfill your monetary desires initially, but certainly the kind of association we have, what will happen, like if you are designing some part of our work, then showcasing that to other people, you can gain some more some monetary assignments from people.
Correct. So I think Chris here already got 2 internship offers. So if you know, Chris, you are interested in interning with Mentify or Bakliwal Foundation, do get in touch with us.
Definitely, Chris, please, you are always welcome. And so this offer is not only for Chris, it is for all the viewers. I'm saying whosoever is willing to work, and if there is something that we can offer, we would love to offer. But again, I'm saying that initially there may not be monetary commitment, but yes, depending upon the association, from one step, you may get so many other assignments also.
Definitely.
Yeah.
The next question that so actually we are already over time, I know. And so would you still like to continue answering more questions?
I would love to, like, if people are there, they have queries, yes, certainly.
Definitely. So the next question is from Larissa. And she says, can you please tell career options where we can get to travel while doing our job?
Okay. So 2 options that come to my mind. One is marketing, which is a very prominent, role, or which is a very prominent segment wherein you will get lots of traveling involved. But again, since today's time, it is digital marketing also. So you need to have knowledge about digital things also, digital gadgets and digital platforms as well. And apart from that, you can, in today's time, there are people who have started these some website wherein they go to different places. It is a kind of tourism, it is from tourism industry basically. So they have their websites. I'm just not able to recall. Minnie Menon hai. Minnie Menon is the founder of that मिनी मेनन जो एक बहुत बड़ी जर्नलिस्ट भी है अपने इंडिया की, इंडिया समथिंग करके उनका वेबसाइट का नाम है, ब्रह्मांड इंडिया और समथिंग, wherein she go to different places and she just describe about that particular place, and that's how she is getting this revenue out of this model. So marketing is one, as I mentioned. I think that is the biggest one. And apart from that, you can be जो guide होते हैं ना हमारे tourism guides होते हैं, you can be that also. And in fact these days any role, any job is not confined to a particular gender. Normally like earlier in our time there were few departments or there were few kind of roles which were confined only to ke male karega ya boy hi ja sakta hai. So in today's time it is not that way. You can get into any kind of role. So guide wala jo ek kaam hota hai, wherein you are telling people, and then you can be a consultant also, wherein lots of traveling would be involved, because if you are providing consultancy to different organizations in particular area. And again, when consulting, again it's a huge term. It could be technical consultancy, it could be legal financial consultancy. So depending upon your own interest, depending upon your own kind of hobby, you can get into it. So traveling, yes, certainly it is involved in marketing hugely, and at the same time anything that is related to travel and tourism.
Correct. And the next question that we have is from Rama, and she's saying that she wants to pursue economic honors, but she does not have interest in maths and she's not good at it. So even in spite of that, can she still go for pursue economic honors?
Definitely, Rama, you can. And see, maths, again, I'm saying it is just a basic knowledge that one should have. Having maths as a subject does not mean that you will become a mathematician. You can get having economics, you can be a financial analyst also, you can be economist, you can get into economic kind of roles, like IMF ke itne positions aate hain wherein they need people from specific streams. You can get into statistical department as well. So mathematics is not a hindrance. Mathematics is just a basic knowledge that you should have. If you are not willing to get into mathematics stream, but the ones who are willing to be mathematicians or who want to pursue their career into mathematics, they need to have deep knowledge of it. But Rama, for people like you who are interested into economics, even see these IITs, they have specific courses in economics. And Narsi Monji, for example, they have a graduation program specifically designed, like it's a BBA in economics, like those programs they have. And then when we say integrated programs, even some of the IIMs, they have come up with integrated programs, wherein immediately after 12th you can enroll. But again, the competition is very high. If you will go to niche colleges, if you will go to the premier colleges, the competition is very high. Normally जो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि marks हमारा, what is the lowest mark, श्रेया? कोई भी student को lowest marks कितने मिल सकते हैं?
0 if there's no negative marking.
Yeah, exactly. So 0 if there is no negative marking. So why I asked this, because when I talk about the premier colleges, these top notch colleges, institutions, most of the competitive exams have got negative marking. So the lowest mark is not 0. It could be -1, -2, -8. It can be into minus also. So you, Rama, while deciding about the course, you need to identify again your own area, at the same time your own level also. But I am a strong believer of that if after competing or if after qualifying a particular exam, say for मेरा 50% marks के साथ में कोई exam clear हुआ है, I don't think I am an average person. There I feel that my preparation was not good. So if you prepare well for your whatever exam, whatever competition you are willing to appear for, I think you can qualify very well into it. The only thing is you need to decide your destination and then designing the path about it. See what happens whenever we are going out. अभी तो 2 साल से हम लोग कोई भी गए नहीं है बाहर, but जब हम लोग बाहर खाने के लिए कभी जाना है, say for if we have to go out, if I talk about Navi Mumbai, there are few eating joints available. अगर किसी दिन मूड है, हाई फाई है, कहीं अच्छी जगह जाना है, so maybe I will decide कि 4 Point Sheraton जाना है, so we'll go and have dinner, lunch there. But if I want to have street food, then something else will come to my mind. Okay. But there could be a situation when I'm wondering, kuch khana hai, kya khana hai, so I'm not aware of. Same, situation applies even in career selection. हमें करना क्या है? First of all, we need to decide करना क्या है. अगर हमें IAS बनना है, तो why don't I take a smallest route? जो मैं बार बार बता रही हूँ आपको, जो हमारा BA in civil services, that is the smallest path to reach to that destination. If you want to be a civil servant, take up this course. Why you want to do अपना graduation करना है पहले, say for BSc करके मैं फिर civil services में जाऊंगा? Again, because you will have to study the same syllabus. The course that I am telling, it has got the subjects which would be there in your UPSC syllabus also. So here, whatever you decide, whatever you design, you need to see with minimum time wastage, with maximum efforts, or maybe I would say minimum efforts, how in a small time frame you can achieve that target. See, we all always say is smart. हम सभी चाहते हैं कि हम लोग स्मार्ट चीजें करें, स्मार्ट बातें हों. So what is this smart? The same smartness applies even in choosing our career. And when I say smart, it is specific. We need to be very specific about which particular career I want to get into. M here stands for measurable. It should be measurable. कि मेरे को अगर ये career लेना है, if I want to get into advertising, so how much money I want to achieve out of it? कि मेरे को 2 साल में कितना पैसा कमाना है, 3 साल में कितना कमाना है, what level? It should be measurable. We should be able to measure it. A stands for achievable. But whatever we decide, whatever we design, it should be achievable also. We should not decide on something which is beyond my capacities and then I'm aspiring for it. मेरे को moon पे जाना है. I do not have any knowledge. It is not achievable for me. It is achievable, but it is achievable for people who have that kind of knowledge. Okay, then it should be relevant also. It should be relevant to the time. It should be relevant to the situation. And then very important aspect, it should be time bound. अगर आज आप बोलते हो कि मेरे को graduation करना है, and if you will be doing that graduation at the age of 60 or 70 for your career, I don't think that is going to help you. But if you are doing it to enhance your knowledge, certainly it will help you. Okay, so career, when we say, we normally synonym it with the professional life wherein we can earn money also. अगर आपको खाली knowledge gain करने के लिए पढ़ना है, so there is no age barrier, but your career should be time bound as well, because most of the competitions, most of the organizations have got age limitation also. Okay,
then I think maybe we can take up the last 1 or 2 questions, keeping in mind. Yeah. So then, and if you all have any more questions that are unanswered, then please do email it to us on hello@mentofy.com, and we'll definitely get Anshul to answer all your questions. So
certainly, yeah,
maybe the next question that I can take up is by Sharman. So he's asking, ma'am, how are the placements from your college, especially after doing BBA?
Okay, so BBA, it's Shravan, not only for you but for everyone. In all our courses, normally जो internship होता है, that is in 2nd or 3rd year. 3rd year के बाद तो placement होता है, but 2nd year में internship रहता है. But at Bakliwal College, we do provide internship after every year. So 2 internships we provide, and 3rd year we place the student. again, it is just the opportunities that we provide, and at the same time, we keep nurturing them, we keep upgrading their skills. And apart from these things, we do have, as I'm mentioning again and again, guest lectures for which we have industry experts coming to our college. And even during this pandemic situation, we organized so many guest lectures for our students, wherein it was not confined only to subjective knowledge, but even to the psychological aspects of its health aspects of it. Because at our college, we provide a holistic development, and holistic meaning the overall development. And herein we cater to a different pedagogy, जो हम लोग एक method of teaching, method of learning जो students के साथ follow करते हैं, that is very different. Normally जो 12th class तक students पढ़ते हैं, they study in school, in the classrooms, but at our institute we have classroom teaching. Apart from that, we have case studies model also, केस स्टडीज मॉडल ऑल्सो, वेर इन जो लाइव केसेस हैं, जो इंडस्ट्री के लाइव केसेस हैं, जो इंडस्ट्री के जिनमें क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, अगर उनको सॉल्व करना है तो कैसे करेंगे. अभी जैसे रिसेंटली एक केस हुआ था, आई थिंक विद नेस्ले, जो मैगी को लेके हुआ था. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस माइट बी नोइंग अबाउट इट, कि मैगी को एडवर्टीजमेंट किया गया था कि उसमें लेड का कंपोनेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, एंड इट इज वेरी हैजार्डियस फॉर हेल्थ. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, इट वाज एडवर्टाइज्ड दैट वे. ओके, सो अभी इट इज अ केस, इट इज अ लाइव केस व्हिच इज देयर विद अस. सो we will discuss this case in classroom, wherein we will tell students what could be the options about it, and how this company should combat this situation. Okay, so case studies is one thing that we follow. Then simulation जो होता है, wherein एक माहौल क्रिएट किया जाता है. say for we all know कि checks लिखना है, जो बैंक का चेक है या DD बनाना है तो कैसे, but when going to bank or when going to the particular financial body, we may not be knowing. हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं कुछ क्वेरी करते हैं कि इसको क्या करना है, क्रॉस चेक है तो कहाँ पे क्रॉस करना है. So what we do for that, we create an environment of bank at the college, wherein we'll be telling students that this is right, this is wrong, because experiential learning is very important. बहुत सारी देखो, there are learning methods जहाँ पे visionary एक learning होता है, wherein you are watching some movie, you are watching some slides, you are learning something. Then the other way of learning is auditory learning, wherein you are listening to something and you are learning out of it. But the best learning is experiential learning, जहाँ पे आप एक बार कर लेते हैं, so it became even in your subconscious mind you are able to retain that memory for a longer time. So in our institute, we do provide these kind of teaching methods, and which ultimately leads to a best placement for the students. और जहाँ मैं बात कर रही हूँ, so we do have tie up with different companies, like हमारे students Reliance Jio में placed है, Just Dial में they are placed. Our students are there working with banks, they are working with hospitals also, and so different segments, different categories. Our students are there even in foreign countries, and even some foreign nationals were there in our institute. So that is its placement is normally we consider it with the job only. So job is one aspect of it, but for us placement meaning your best possible positioning after you do the course. So BBA के बाद हम लोग internship देते हैं. Shreyash was the person, right, who asked this question?
No, I think it was Sharman.
Yeah. So placement, like we do, it is a continuous process at our campus for BBA program. And apart from these facilities, we do have this complimentary online course also, one course for all the students at our campus. So Sharman, you can get in touch with us for this course anytime, and we would love to explain you more, because others I think there is something else also remaining. Shreya, you were telling one more question is there?
Yeah, I think 2-3 more questions are there, but maybe we can take them up on email later because we are already over time.
So otherwise, if you can club in every in one, then maybe I would like to, if possible. Otherwise,
I don't think I can club them. So maybe okay, we can just take one last question then.
okay.
Yeah, so Ashpreet here is saying that he has opted for maths as an additional subject in class 11, which means that he won't be provided any classes from school. And he's still not sure if he's on the right path. So if you can guide him.
Okay. So see, mathematics good as a subject, but again, in today's time, it is classroom teaching is one method, but since for last 2 years, we all are confined to our homes. So teaching has the teaching phase is changed completely. So here you can have classes online also, wherein other than your subjective teachers, there are few tutorials available. There are so many teachers who provide their free classes online. So you can take up those classes as well. Okay, I think this was the question which he asked, Shreya.
Yeah, correct.
So there are options available wherein you can Google for, and like Khetrapal is one teacher which I know. You can Google about his name, and maybe you can see the free tutorials available for mathematics.
All right. And another one was regarding a job. So if I am in job, not having much time to go to college and want to enhance my profile, so what are the options available?
Lovely. I think brilliant question. Then you please come to us. We have so many programs wherein, as I said, sitting at your own place, आप जहां भी रहते हैं, जिस भी कॉर्नर में पूरी दुनिया के रहते हैं, वहां बैठ के आप post graduation programs कर सकते हैं, because post graduation programs that we have, these programs have got so many specializations. आपको सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट में करना है, लॉजिस्टिक्स में करना है, मार्केटिंग, एचआर, फाइनेंस, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट, एनीथिंग, you digital marketing. Okay, so there are so many options available with us. You please, online courses are available wherein not only the national teachers or domestic teachers, but even the international teachers lectures available. And sitting within your office hours also you can learn, because these sessions will be available for a particular time period. Say for आज कोई session होता है, उसका tenure होगा कि वो अगले 2 दिन के लिए उसका recording आपके login पे available रहेगा, and which you can do as per your convenience. Okay, so and this is going to add certainly. In fact, recently I got a query wherein the person is still working with the GenPact, but he could not do his masters. So he asked me, and because now the requirement is only a master's degree. So in such a situation, it is the programs that we are running, wherein we call it flexible programs, wherein even the housewives can also join these programs. Not only the working professionals, but even housewives who could not complete their education or who are willing to enhance their education sitting at home, even they can learn with these programs. And even for housewives, we have exclusive programs also, wherein the small programs like English, spoken English can be one of it. Then how to maintain yourself, even for image building programs we have, wherein when we say image, it is a complete package. It is not only the face of it, it is the inside out. So those kind of programs are available. And again, I'm just saying that sitting at home you can do these programs, जो online programs होते हैं, जहाँ पे आपका जो study material है, it would be all interactive. जैसे आज हम interaction कर रहे हैं, here it's only Shreya who's interacting with me, but in such programs you can directly interact with the teacher. So sitting at home, yes, certainly you can do these online programs that we have. So anytime you can be in touch with us through this Manto file, through their platform.
Definitely. So I think with that we can close the today's session. Thank you so much, Anshul, for all your insights. Me, myself, being from the engineering background, I've got to know so much today. There's a lot to explore in this world, I think.
Lovely.
And a huge thanks to you and to Bakliwal Foundation, obviously, for helping our mentees with their career options and guiding them.
Definitely. But one thing I will just end up by one of my favorite, quote. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. सो कीप दैट करेज. मुझे कुछ करना है, सिर्फ सोचने से नहीं होगा, आप करने की जिस दिन ठान लोगे कि करना है. सो देयर आर पीपल लाइक श्रेया, लाइक अंशुल, लाइक मेंटोफाई, लाइक बाकलीवाल कॉलेज, जो आप लोगों के हेल्प के लिए हैं, एंड वी आर ईगर टू हेल्प. वी वुड लव टू हेल्प यू गाइज. सो प्लीज remain safe at your home and keep that courage alive. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you, Mentofy.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. Bye.